Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here right now because I will show you how to create a YouTube banner in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested in that kind of content, please stay tuned and I'll see you on the other side.
Well, hello guys, welcome behind my screen. So this is my computer. Like I said, we're gonna do this in less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and click on Google and type YouTube banner template. Choose the one that best suits your needs. And for me, I decided to take this one. It has all the information that I need. Here it is very clear for me. So I'm gonna save this image. So right click with my mouse and save the image as. Perfect. I already did that here. So you go ahead, rename it and save it for your in your pictures whenever you have a file that is for YouTube only. Perfect. Once that is done, we have our banner saved. We are going to go to Canva. And in Canva, as you can see, I already worked on my YouTube banner. What you're going to do is go on your upload the file that you already saved, that YouTube template, upload it on Canva, and you're going to use this one to create your banner. So what you're going to do is that you're going to drag this image corner to corner to the Canva template, and you're going to make sure that everything that you do is going to be inside this white rectangle. Everything that's going to be out of this white rectangle will pertain to the tablet or to the desktop image or even the TV. So whoever watches YouTube on a TV will have access to all the information that you will put outside of this white rectangle. So just to let you know, I'm going to, put this template, less apparent. As you can see, my picture, my names, my titles are all in this white rectangle. But if I would have put my face here and nothing in that white rectangle, the person who's watching it on TV would have seen my face here. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So now I'm going to remove this one and I'm going to save this picture. So I already save it, as you know. So after downloading your template, you are going to open your YouTube channel. As you can see, I already started my YouTube channel. Very simple. I didn't do anything crazy. I am here and now you have to go to customize your channel. Click on branding. And you are here in this stage where you can upload your pictures, banner, image. So this is where you're going to upload your image. So let's do edit. And let's go get our picture, our YouTube banner. Here we are. So this is my banner. As you can see, I am inside all the measurement requested by YouTube. So click on OK and publish your banner. Once it's published, you click on show my channel. And here we are. Here is my banner with my little name, Clara Creates, Clara Fuentes. And there you go. So this is the way you do your banner in less than 5 minutes. If you want to have more in-depth information, I will do a longer step-by-step how to create a YouTube banner with all the details that you need to know in order to understand and to create your own banner. So thank you for listening and I'll see you on the other side.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Like I mentioned in my video, please do not hesitate to comment below if you have any questions. It's gonna be my pleasure to answer them as soon as I can. And probably do another YouTube video with more in-depth information. If that's what you're looking for, please do not hesitate to comment below. In the meantime, have yourself a wonderful day, and you know the drill. Click subscribe, share, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.